All about IELTS report in 10 minutes. Useful language for lines and bar charts. Maximums. The maximum point at each graph. The followings can be used as maximums. Peak at. Is at its peak. Reaches its climax. Maximum.
Unemployment peaked at 1,000 cases in year 2021. Unemployment is at its peak in year 2021. Unemployment reaches its climax in year 2021.
Minimums. The minimum point of each graph. The followings can be used as minimals. Drops to the lowest level of. To be at its minimum. Reaches its nadir. Minimum.
Unemployment drops to the lowest level of 1,000 case in year 2021. Unemployment is at its minimum in year 2021. Unemployment reaches its nadir in year 2021.
Directions. Moving up and going down. The followings can be used for moving up. Increase to. Rise to. Go up to. Increase as a noun. Rise as a noun. Growth.
Increase to. Unemployment has increased to 2,000 in year 2021.
The followings can be used for going down. Decrease to. Decline to. Reduce to. Decrease as a noun. Decline as a noun. Reduction as a noun.
Decrease. Unemployment has decreased from 2,000 in year 2020 to 1,000 in year 2021. Reduction. There was a reduction of 1,000 in year 2021.
Stabilizing. Make it steady. The followings can be used for stabilizing. Stabilize. Remain stable. Stay constant. No change. No fluctuation.
Stabilize. The rate of unemployment has been stabilized since year 2020. No change. Unemployment shows no change after year 2020.
Erratic. Having no pattern. The followings can be used for erratic. Fluctuate around. Vary from something to something. Fluctuation. Variation. Erratic behavior.
Fluctuate around. Unemployment fluctuates around 1,000. Erratic behavior. The graph shows an erratic behavior between years 2019 to 2022.
Speed of change. Sudden, normal, or slow changes. The followings can be used for speed of change. Sudden change. Significant or significantly. normal change, moderate or moderately, slow change, slight or slightly.
Sudden change. Unemployment has decreased significantly after year 2021. Moderate change. Unemployment has increased moderately from 2019 to 2022. Slow change. Unemployment has slightly declined from 1,500 to 1,200 during 3 years.
Approximation. Around a point. The followings can be used for approximation.
Around, about, roughly, means nearly, well over, means much more than, well under, means much less than.
Around. Unemployment has increased to around 1,000 in year 2021. Well over. Unemployment is well over 1,000 in year 2022.
Useful language for tables. Rates and followers. The followings can be used for rating. Is placed. Is rated. Occupy. Is of low or high importance. The lowest or highest. Leading.
Is placed. Turkey is placed first with 15%. Is rated. Ireland is rated second at 12%. Occupy. Spain occupies third in table by 10%. The lowest. Sweden is the lowest with 4%. Leading. Turkey is the leading country with 15%.
The followings can be used for followers. Followed by. Is next. Close behind. Respectively.
Followed by. Sweden is the lowest, followed by Italy with 6%. Is next. Turkey is first and Ireland is next with 12%. Close behind. Turkey is first while Ireland and Spain are close behind. Respectively. Italy and Sweden have the lowest rates, with 6% and 4% respectively.
Useful language for pie charts. Describing one part or two parts of pies. The followings can be used for one part of pie. The first. Second. The highest. Lowest. Number of. Percentage. Proportion.
Number of unemployees in each country in year 2021. 3 million in France. 6 million in Italy. 12 million in Turkey. Turkey has the highest number of unemployees. The lowest percentage of employees are in France. Turkey has a high proportion of unemployees at 60%.
The followings can be used for two parts of pies.
Number of men and women unemployees in each country. There are as many men as women in France. Twice as many men as women are in Turkey. Men are slightly more than women in France.
Please do not forget to subscribe us.